Good day, guys. Welcome to part 8 of the island of Virgin Mary. Now, as you can see, it says here, notice employees only, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let me show you guys where we are before we leave. Let me show you where we are. Again, this is just like the backgrounds of the church where I just was. So yeah, it looks pretty cool in here, man. You can actually smell the grass. Yep, and you can see back there, guys, they're some sort of they planting something out there. Check it out. See? That's why we're not supposed to go over the line back there. See? So now I'm gonna show you where we are, guys, and I'm gonna show you the little that I can see from my point of view from here, guys. So now we go here. These are just trails. Now this one doesn't go anywhere. It goes up there, but then the guy goes here. I think they give tours to people, but he just goes up there, goes around and come back again here. But these trails are free to walk on, so I'm gonna show you where they lead to. And again, up there is the where people can sit down to eat lunch, relaxing and whatever, until the next thing in their agenda. Now see here, guys, here, notice how there's a circle, guys. This one and this one, that's another one. We'll go through there in a few, but right now I'm gonna go here just so you can see everything, guys. I don't want you guys to miss anything. This is what detail's supposed to be. You look into everything, and these are paths, guys. These are the paths that are here. Again, that guy that I talked to, they give tours of like those golf carts, something like that. And you see, so here leads again up here to the this place where people can relax, eat, whatever. I'm gonna show you one more view here, guys, before we go on. See? One more view. One more view, guys. One more view. Again, the guy comes through there. He goes through the lawn, goes around back there again, and back down again to the same route. But we're gonna go through another one right now. So you see, we just came through here. Now we're gonna go this way. Again, guys, I don't like to lose anything, guys. Let me show you the island. So basically this, from here to that tree, is an island, guys. From here to that tree back there, it's an island. Let me give it 360 here where we are, guys, just so you can see where we are right now. This is the 360. This is in the back of the church. The church is back there somewhere. And now we'll continue on this trail. I haven't explored this yet. I haven't explored this, but it should lead up to the main street, guys. To the main street. And now we go back on track, guys. See? And we just came through here to the left. Now we go to the right. And if you notice, guys, it looks like they seem to be brand new. They seem to they carved this out not too long ago. See? Seems carved out. See? All this, it seems new. Look at the dirt. It's all white. Looks like they just carved it out. And we'll keep going. And this should lead us to the main street, guys. To the main street. So basically, guys, I think this will be the last one, because part 8, because I think already, to my knowledge, I think already recorded the whole thing. I recorded the whole complex. I mean, it's big in itself, but the sections, there's, they're like by chunks. And that other trail leads back there to the benches where people can sit again. That one has that one is just alone. It's not like that one. It has like a roof on top of it. But this path here leads all the way down there. Let's go anyway. Let me show you. See, check it out, guys. See, you see the tractor tracks. See the tractor tracks again. They were just here, guys. This was not too long ago. These are brand new carved roads. I'm gonna stay here. I don't want to go all the way there. But see, but this path leads up there where they have all those lunch picnicky tables. And now we go back because there's nothing back there. This path finishes back there, guys. As you can see, this is old road, brand new road, guys. So now we keep going on, and again, this should lead to the main street. Again, guys, it's not just a journey, it's an adventure. Check it out, guys. It's well carved out, man. See, they were supposed to do another path, but they stopped there. See where the plants are right there? They stopped right there because that is a path. That is a path. And we'll keep going this way, guys. And as you can see, yeah, it's gonna lead to the main road, street. And this is for like emergency parking. See, it's kind of like wide over here because only one car can come through here, but they amplify it right here, guys. Totally amplify it. Again, guys, I'm looking at the map, but I don't think I see anything else that needs to be checked out. This is part 8. Oh, you see, guys? Look what they put. Look what they put here, guys. Oh, that's funny, man. Look at that. They put a long branch on Stumpy over here. Now, let me just go over it. And you see, so literally stops right here. You see where it meets the grass? Where it meets the grass? It ends right there, guys. And that's it. And guys, thanks for joining me on this walk again. And I'll see you in the 9th part, if there's one. I'll let you know in the next one, if there is another one. Bye.